How to get image ID for Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device, then click on Create at the top. After that, in here, click on Store at the top. Below Stores, you will find Decals. Click on Decals. After that, scroll down and here you'll find different image. You can also search by clicking on search at the top or simply scroll down. Click on one image you want to get ID of. Then at the top URL bar you will find number, which is after asset, and those are the image ID of the image. And this is how to get image ID for Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.